Hi friends, welcome to my X journey. So it's Mrs. Slide again, and I wish everyone's a happy Valentine's Day. Maybe you're watching it on the day I'm launching this video, so maybe a happy early Valentine's Day. But anyway, so today I'm going to do a little unboxing with everyone. Obviously, this is my Valentine's Day gift from my hubby. And yes, I am unboxing it a little bit early, you know. We don't necessarily open gifts on the day of as we're both busy. So, you know, that's kind of like how you roll when we're like, what, like close to 6 years of marriage. So, you know, we just kind of like gift whenever we feel like it, kind of. So anyway, so obviously from looking at the box, this was ordered online. So yeah, we received it like this in a white box. As usual, if you watch my previous videos where items were purchased online, it's always come with like the white box first instead of like the pure orange. So let me just open it, and as usual, it has a little Hermes boutique picture, and here's the wrappers. Can you guys guess what this is? Obviously it's a very small, and it's a jewelry. So let me just put this aside. So this is actually my second fine jewelry, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Okay, so let's open it and see what exactly this is. So let me just put this aside. So, ooh, so this is the ring. So this is the Chandon ring from Hermes, and I actually been eyeing on this ring. I can't believe my hubby actually got me this. I mean, I've been mentioning it in the past, and he said, it looks okay, and then, you know, maybe he wanted to surprise me, maybe. So see if it's gonna fit my finger. So let's see. So I usually will wear my engagement ring with my wedding ring on the ring finger, and I think this ring will look good on my index finger. Oh, I think the ring I think the Valentine's gift, it's a failed because it doesn't fit. But I think my hubby probably only aware my ring finger size, but not so much of my index size. So yeah, and let's try on the other hand and see how it goes. Yep, no, yeah, maybe so it doesn't really fit, because normally the ring you kind of want it to be, you know, all the way down, but this one, it just doesn't go. Actually, let me check with the price and the size, and you know, with the date that he purchased, and see, you know, what he did wrong. Oh, so he actually got me the size 54, and oh, he actually purchased early. So the price for this one is $380 plus tax, of course. Now I really don't know what to do. It was $380 plus tax, which is before the price increase. If you guys have not yet noticed, a few days ago, Hermes has already adjusted their jewelry prices. And so the current price for this piece is $415. which is about 9% increase. So here's the question for you guys. As with the price increase, so what do you guys think? Because it doesn't fit my index finger. I mean, it can fit my ring finger. And should I return it and perhaps get a new size? Because if you look at the Hermes website right now, actually, I think my size is probably the 56 or 57 for my index finger, but it's not available right now. So please let me know if I should, you know, keep this. Like, what do you think if it's on if I wear it like this? So as I mentioned, this is a fine jewelry. So this is in silver materials. Oh, by the way,
I haven't talked about this little thing, and let me just unbuckle this. Okay, so this is a microfiber material. So I'd assume this is how you will store your ring in there. Also, it helps cleaning with the ring as well, so to avoid the oxidization. So this is pretty good, especially for traveling. You can just carry it like this. So yeah, even though this Valentine's gift seems to be a fail, but it is still a very nice piece that I received from my hubby. But like I said, I do need your help, so let me know if we should return this and hope for the right size in the future, or just wear it with my ring finger. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future Hermes unboxings, some shopping strategies, and other luxury goods that we talked about, like Rolex, Chanel's. If you liked today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you have not yet followed my Instagram, please check out my Instagram. And I do post a lot of things, how I use my luxury, and sometimes I will give you guys some preview of what's launching or what I purchased, some sort of mysteries. But anyways, so as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.